States construction world, you wouldn't believe the rules or lack thereof. We had one sign coming up to a robo-flagger or pilot car. MUTC be damned. Birds are chirping. Now we're just gonna wait. He's back. Please note the PP or the lack thereof PPG. Oh, I love it. Life's good. All right, we've been sitting here for 15-20 minutes.
Yep.
And the whole string of cars has now come back from the opposite direction. It was about 12 in 15-20 minutes or so. Because it's just the way it is up here. It's quite nice.
Looks like this whole gravel road construction thing's only about 15 miles.
Now there's got to be some way to get my damn.
That's how I earned money for this trip.
That's what I figured.
Got to be some way to get my.
Here we go.
Back to
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the last 20 minutes, we have stacked up 9 whole cars going into Dawson City. And it's quite the project going on.
Gotta be a way to get that back on miles. I don't know what it is. I don't know why it would automatically.
But they have moved an amazing amount of earth here to build this up.
Oh boy. Blasting zone.
I don't know.
Oh boy, we're a little bit bumpy now. We're just pre-Dempster. This will make it be like a cakewalk.
D10, D9.
That valley out
there
there
eating
is
his
awful
lunch.
beautiful. Beautiful. Hello, hubby.
What are you thinking back there, Bullet? What you see out that window?
So Phil, how do they grade that slope so smooth?
Skill.
Likely with the dozer.
Holy shit, that seems steep.
It is.
It is. They may have a long reach excavator too. They probably bench it as they come down with an excavator. And see the bucket on that? How it's got the smooth edge on it. They'll cut benches and then grade it as they come down. And see, yeah, I can see the bucket marks in it. That's how they've been doing it. Yeah, that one's a little too, that one there you can see the teeth marks, but a little too steep for a dozer. Oh, we should have pulled over there and had them fuel us up.
Or at least saw what they wanted to share for lunch. Yeah, this got to the dusty part. Sorry, it's really bumpy.
Oh, looks like he's needing some bucket pin bushings. That's one thing I always was amazed at, those mechanics that work on that stuff. Well, I guess it's like anything that drives you towards a job that you like, but man, there's nothing on those machines that's light.
Oh yeah, I bet not.
Oh, you can see him doing it there, yeah.
Yeah, where that orange excavator, see that bench up there?
Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Here comes another detour.
Like some drilling and blasting for here.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Kaboom, kaboom.
Have you seen any hard hats? Just curious.
One of those drill machines in there at Ackwood across the street. We built that vacation rental and had to bore like 45 holes and blast that rock out of the way.
Wow. Hello.
Yeah, they
got this guy hiding
Howard
back
S.
here in
Wright
the dirt,
did a
trees.
tower project downtown Bellevue. They built
Pretty
two
awesome.
12-inch well that was a original water source for the city, and they chased that well down to the bottom of the hole, which they dug 95 feet
Man,
down,
gorgeous.
and then
Stewart River
they
and the
had
Yukon
to
River.
drop charges down the remainder. Yep.
We're on the detour of the detour to the detour.
Obey traffic laws, be alert, and use voice commands while driving. Proceed on Klondike Highway.
Yeah, it does. They're a big ass mountain.
We're on another detour of the detour to another detour, which is all the same road. It just keeps going side by side. Sure does mess with the lady on the GPS. It's pretty cool. Alright, here's the end of the construction zone.
And the blade operator waiting to make another pass.
Life's good. Okay, it's been 25 minutes, and that's all that got backed up on this end waiting for us. Pretty funny, huh?